back to the channel again, and today we are going to start one of the most awaited series that most of you were asking to me to start, and that is your HTML series. And in this series we are making 5 to 6 videos in this playlist actually, and inside that we are adding the parts of HTML, and we'll be covering the whole HTML within 5 to 6 videos. So this one is the introductory video, and I will be showing you how to start your HTML journey in this video. So let's start. So guys, as you know, we need to make a folder at first, and let's give it a name HTML. Okay. Now if you have seen the Python video, we know how to open it. Yeah, in the VS Code only we will be doing the HTML also. It's taking time. So we'll be creating a new file. File name will be index.html. Yeah, index. So we are ready, we are here with our first index.html file. In this file we will be writing our codes of HTML. So for that you guys need to do one thing. Just write this, press enter, and your interface will be coming in front of you. And I should delete these all now. You don't need to understand all these things now. Remove these one and let it come over here, and your body should be separated, head should be separated, and I should clear it. So guys, this is your HTML interface, and we can see one thing. At the first line we have doc type HTML, that is mandatory for us to write. Then we have HTML, and we are starting the HTML code over here, and whatever we will be writing in the HTML, that will be kept inside this HTML starting point and this HTML ending point. Okay, and then we have the head. Under head we have the title. I will be showing you what is head, what is title. Then we have the body and the closing of body. So this slash means why? This slash means the thing is closed. Okay, so HTML, how it is HTML? It is head. Yeah, head. Okay, so guys, HTML, why HTML is used? Actually the HTML is the backbone of a web page. I think you guys know HTML is used for the web pages, and it is the backbone of the web page. And for that reason you need to install one thing, that is your live server. What is the extension? For that you need to install your live server in your VS Code. Yeah, this one, live server. That will help you a lot. So now cut it. Now let me show you something. If I press the go live button over here, you cannot see, my face is guarding that. If I press the go live button over here, something will be coming. Just wait. Yeah, here is your web page. So whatever I am writing inside this HTML code, it will be reflected in this web page. Okay, so let's check it. Let's put the title at first. Title, what should I think? I should make it a bit short. Yeah, this much is enough, and for that this one. Okay, so I should give the title as Nova. You can see the supernova word comes over here. Okay, so the title means the title of the web page. Okay, I guess it's okay. Okay, So now it's already I had already kept the auto save option on, so it's saving automatically. And now inside head we have title and we have given a title, and in the body tag, let's say I am putting a header. Header means a big head will be over, means one heading will be there in the top. So h1 tag and h1 tag closing. Okay, now if I write subscribe the channel, see it's h1, so it's big. And if I write as h2, then subscribe the channel, it's coming, but it's a bit shorter. Then if I copy the two and then paste them simultaneously, let's cut this out, 1 2 3 4 and one more, Control C Control V, and I am putting, you can see one thing, that one h1 is there at the first, then h2 h1 h2 h2 h2, so sequentially it is coming like that, but I am changing it to h3 and h3, then h4, then h4 and h5 and h5. You can see that the things are becoming smaller and smaller, and it is all reflecting in the web page. See, it's reflecting in the web page. And then I should write one thing more, that is your paragraph tag. Your paragraph tag, I am a coder, yeah, and I write code for you guys. So clear, paragraph means the, like if I should show you, wait a minute, I should show you, let's write something like Wikipedia. Array, why are you coming? Array, not that Wikipedia, bro. Okay, let's say Hippo. Yeah, so guys, this one is the heading, your h1 tag, and this one is your paragraph part, and these are the added components. Okay, we will be learning about them. And these red, sorry not red, your blue colors are your hyperlinks. What? Hyperlinks. If you click over here anywhere, like say donate, this one, this is hyperlink, and if I click in that, another page will be opening. So inside that word donate, one link is hidden. If I press on the donate button, it will open the hidden link. So this is the theory, and I guess it is clear to you now. Okay, clear? So let's minimize that, not minimize. So guys, in the first video or the first chapter, this much is your duty to practice this once, and just not practice, just write these things, and your browser will be reflecting that, and that will be great fun because you are making your first web page. So that's it for this video. In the next 4 or 5 videos, we will be covering the whole part of HTML. And so for today, goodbye.